decision that will affect you tomorrow. Beshada, maka onye buru chiyuso, obabu amanya nasa. Be careful. Life is a lesson. No one is perfect. So be careful.
Alex, shame on you! Shame on you, impotent man! You can't even get me pregnant! I'm your wife! Get me pregnant, Alex! What are you waiting for? Alex, you are evil. You are heartless. You are wicked. I'm beginning to believe all the rumors that people have been saying about you. That you're a ritualist and you've used all of our unborn children for rituals.
Enough! Enough! Don't make me hit you. Stop it!
Hey! Hit me, oh! Alex, hit me! Try it! Coward! Try it! Hit me! Eh? All you do is to talk! Listen, you are not going to work today, let's bet it. You must get me pregnant today.
Ella, it has gotten to the level of you joining them to gossip me, right? Don't make me do what you regret.
Alex, stop talking. You talk too much. No actions. Why can't you just hit me? Do it! Do it! Please, I beg you in the name of God. Take me back to my parents' house before you kill me with impotency. Take me back! Why are you suffering me now? What is all this? Get in bed now and get me pregnant. Okay? You are a man. Other husbands out there do it. So what's keeping you? Why are you waiting? Take all this rubbish you're putting on because you're not going to work today. No work for you. I'm talking rubbish, right? Okay, we'll see who will get tired. We will see who will get tired, no problem. You want to hit me. That's all you can do. Get me pregnant, me.
Sir, is there a problem?
I'm fine.
Sir, are you sure?
Okay, I said I'm fine. Go. I'll call you back later.
Okay, sir.
Just go.
Talking to you. Come back here. Where do you think you're going? You will not leave this house today. Let's bet it. You are not going anywhere. Come on, get me pregnant. You are a man. Don't go anywhere. Oh. You are not leaving here. Either you kill me or you kill me in your bed. Kill me in your hands. It's okay. I'm ready. You're not going anywhere.
Ella, you're pushing me.
What do you want to do? Huh? What is going on here?
Mama, what are you doing here?
Mama, welcome. If you dare say any record there, I will cut off your tongue. And to answer your question, I am here to chase away this witch out of this house. Mama, what is that?
Mama, please. I have told you to give us time.
Time, you said? I should give the both of you time. How long will it take you to give me grandchildren? I told you that this girl is not your wife. You never believed me. I told you not to marry her. You never believed me. You see today, she is leaving this house. Mama, you lie, yo. I will only leave this house as a dead body. It's either you kill me or your son kills me. What is all this now? Do you know how I've been fighting him since morning to get me pregnant and he wants to go to work? Mama, one whose house is on fire will not chase a rabbit. It's not done. He's not going to work. I want him to get me pregnant. Unless he's impotent, he should tell me.
Shut up. Ella, shut up that thing. You call him out. That was not what the doctor said. And let this be the very last time you will open this thing you call him out to call me an important man. If you try it again, God knows I will beat you.
You see today? You see today? The both of you are going to make babies for me. Bam! Or I kill you, I kill her.
Mama, I'm late for work.
I am
going to work.
Mama,
I need to go to work.
I'm ready. To the room, stress. You are going to make babies for me. Listen to your mother. You're looking at me. Listen, go
Mama, I am late.
Sir, Mr. Simon is here to see you.
That's it.
Okay, sir. Sir, are you sure you're okay? I know you're a boss, but you know I care about you a lot.
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Get to the class.
Okay, sir. Sir, hold on, yes. You have some. Alright, sir, let me get myself.
Just listen.
Okay, sir.
Hey! My main man, Odogu himself. My nigga. It's good to have you. What's up? Yeah, I'm fine. What's going on? As usual. So, how woke? Thank God, as usual. Man, it's been long. You know, I mean, the way you sounded on the phone wasn't good, so I had to rush. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Boy, it's your girl, eh? Name your girl is Heart. She's the bomb. Damn. Sorry. That's my wife. It's okay. So, why am I here? I'll go straight to the boys. Simon, you know you have been my childhood friend. Yeah. There are things, a lot of things you don't know about me. But I will let you know about it. Are you okay? Simon, I'm fine. Alright. I want you to help me. I want you to help me impregnate my wife for me. Yes.
I call upon you now, my great provider, my healer, my protector, Almighty God. This is the time to show yourself. Come and prove yourself in my life. Father, King of glory, if my husband can't impregnate me, Father, please, I beg you, come and do it for me. Come and do it. You did it in the time of Virgin Mary by sending the Holy Spirit and she conceived. Father, please, I beg for the Holy Spirit. I ask of the Holy Spirit to be bestowed on me so I can conceive. Father, if it's any woman, whatever the evil men and evil women are planning against my life or have done against my life, Father, I destroy, I cancel. Father, even if my husband is in a cult, I don't want to know. Destroy their coven, set it ablaze, oh God. Father, King of glory, all I ask for is just a child. Give me a child, King of glory. Send your Holy Spirit. Oh Lord, I pray. I have prayed and I know that you've answered this prayer. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Thank you, my God. Thank you, Jesus. For I have prayed in Jesus' name. Amen. How long have you been here?
Long enough, Pastor.
Pastor, please pray for me. I beg, don't insult me here.
Can you Imagine!
Madam, when did you learn how to pray? Wait, what sort of question is that? Don't worry, let what is happening to me happen to you, then you turn into a prayer warrior overnight. Look at you! Have you forgotten? I have been telling you to learn how to pray for years. You said, Mba. I cannot. I don't have strength. I'm tired. And now you're giving it to the devil. Basmosa. Blame it on me. I am sorry. My eyes don't clear. My sister, I've picked my Bible. You even distracted me.
So it can see clear like this now. Sorry about that.
You distracted me, honestly. I wasn't even done. I was about to enter the second phase.
Are you serious?
Simon, you must do this for me. No one else. Not me. Not me, man. You must be joking. Has it gotten to this level? Simon, joke. Simon, you must do this for me. Listen, I think the fault is from me. I and my wife has been to several hospitals. To keep telling us there's not so wrong, but and you have to go see a doctor. Another doctor. God, not me. Why would you think of this? Why me? Simon, you're the only one I trust. Okay. You know I don't have a lot to do this for. Guy, see. You need to see a doctor. Guy, see. You need to see a doctor. I'm not a doctor. Simon, the doctor. This doctor has been fooling me and my wife for years. Simon, my wife lives in my house like a stranger. Wow. Bro, how have you been able to try another woman? Try. You want me to have scandals? Simon, you know the life I lived. I don't do that. I would like you to try another woman to know if you're the problem or your wife. Simon, you will not understand. I no longer have peace in my house. There are things you don't know. Sorry. But I will let you know.
Let me just go wash it. Alcohol. Oh my goodness. Babes, you gas shine eyes. Hey. What? Why are you just staring at me like that? Why are you looking at me weirdly? Huh? Collect now. Looking at me like that. See what I'm talking about? I thought you said you're fasting. My prayer time is over. It has ended.
You don't have to take alcohol. You don't know where your problem is coming from.
My problem is coming from Alex, nothing else. Remember I told you that the doctor said we are okay. So the problem is Alex. Girl, why are you talking like this? Can't you remember back then when I did abortion for Kingsley? So does it mean that suddenly now I'm now having issues?
Yeah, you did. That's why I'm even confused in their condition.
There's nothing to be confused about. Alex is the problem. He is. Remember what you told me? I've come to believe them. Yeah.
You're very funny. I told you about this last time. You called me a liar. Remember? See, babe. Because of what has been going on, what happened then and what is happening now, I mean, I'm just wondering why both of you have not been able to have a child. You know? But anyway, drink, enjoy your life, but do not trust anybody. Me, I don't trust anybody these days. I tell you the truth. Drink up. Later you continue your fasting.
Slow down, take it easy. Please slow down, take it easy.
Baby girl! Baby girl!
Welcome.
Thank you.
This one you're all smiles. Giving an award at the office today. Something like Staff of the Week, something.
I wish. For where? Which staff award? My sister. My dream is about to come true. The prayers I have been praying, God is answering them for me. Girl!
What are you talking about?
Okay, breaking news.
Okay.
My boss is coming to this house this weekend.
Your boss.
Girl,
When will you leave this fantasy of yours and focus?
Fantasy.
Yeah.
That is what you want to call it. Girl, this is real life. It's going to happen before your very eyes. Okay? My boss is going to come here and you will see it happen. Girl, I love this guy. Is this man or nobody else? I love this guy. I want this guy. I need this guy. My boss. So sexy.
Babe,
Yes?
this is someone else's husband we're talking about here. A married man.
Do I care? Am I the first? Babe, I don't really care at all. It's not my business. All I know is that my man is coming to this house this weekend. Girl, do you know what? Let me go and change. So I'll give you all the gist. Let me break it down to you. So you'll be happy for me at least. Girl! 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 Okay.
Don't do anything stupid. Cut your toes. Wipe your
Jimmy, what's keeping my food?
I don't know. My sister said she would dish it.
Alright, tell her to hurry up, it's late.
What is he asking you to do? You need to go and sleep.
It's about his food. You said you would serve him.
Please go and sleep. A man that has no child does not deserve to eat.
Sister, no now. Don't do this.
You shut it. I said go to bed right now. You have work to do tomorrow. Go!
Chini, rush to the supermarket and get me bread.
She goes nowhere. She's my sister, not yours. Chini, I said go to bed right now. I don't want to go crazy on you.
But
I said leave! Go! Go to bed! But what? You, Mr. Man. Like I said earlier, remember what I told you. Whatever your mom did to me, I will do it back to you in double folds. Alright? Right now, I'm going into the room and I don't want to wait for you. You must make me pregnant this night. I don't want to wait for you. Follow me now.
I am telling you, that man is going through a lot. But I'm going to help him solve his problem. He's a good man. He has been so good to me. So it's the least I can do.
yeah, he's a good man. I can attest to that.
Yeah. But for his mind, you don't know I was listening to everything he was saying. I overheard everything. I stood by the door and I was eavesdropping. Trust me.
But why would his wife behave like that towards him? Are you sure it's not his fault?
But I wouldn't know. But when I'm done, we'll find out.
Oh, baby, you're taking risk. Oh. Seriously. This thing is risky and I don't know why you like doing things like that. There are several men out there dying to have you. Why you're dying for a married man? Why now?
I love them married. And you know this, I love married men. They excite me. They turn me on. Soon I'll be his second wife. And you'll be here to watch it. And when it happens, I will kick you out of my house.
Oh, I beg you.
I beg what?
What is it?
I don't know. Are you jealous of me?
This life, what is it all about with this life? I don't have a child of my own. I'm going to give another man a child. And what if tomorrow? And what if tomorrow I do not have my own child? What will I do? If I go there, should I just leave it?
I beg you, you can call my husband and we can keep any of us people.
Yes.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want, please. Just take it. Whatever you want, please. Just take it. Please, no.
Wait. You wait.
Stop, please. Stop, don't do this, please. Please stop.
Alright, Papa. The whole job was scattered. What do I tell my girlfriend? Come on, please. She will dump me. God, please help me out. I'm in difficulties now. I need your help.
Slow down, take it easy. Please slow down, take it easy.
Hello? Yes, sir. He's there and I don't know what to do. His friend said he's coming, he's on his way. I'll bring him to your hospital.
First of all, see, please that I want to die.
Sorry, it's okay. It's okay, you will die, okay?
What is it? Wow! Simon!
Yeah.
What is it?
It's okay, salty.
Yes, already.
Please.
Welcome, sir.
Well, let's take him to the hospital. Help me. Let's take him immediately to the hospital. Simon, you're welcome back to your house.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. I don't even know how to start thanking you. You know I got your back. I appreciate it so much.
And also, Simon, I also want to let you know that the hospital bills have been settled. Yes.
What? That was a huge amount of money, you know.
I know. What are friends for?
So this is what you went to the doctor's office to do. Alex. Alex, do you know what? Once I'm back to my feet, I will. I will appreciate you, my brother. I must pay you back.
Serious people. Did I ask you to pay me back?
I must pay you back.
No, I don't want you to pay me back, Simon. I just want you to be fine. Ebele, you heard what the doctor said. That the surgery is a critical one, and he must not be stressed. I don't know if you understand. Please, I am begging you, do not, I repeat, do not stress him. I beg you.
Mr. Alex. It's not me you should be talking to. It's your friend here. Talk to him. While we were in the hospital, he was busy telling me to call his office to tell him this, to tell him that. Talk to him.
Now listen, talking about his office, Simon, cancel that job. In fact, you are not doing that job again.
Why?
I have already sent in 500,000 naira to your account. Use it to eat for the next 2 months, because I don't want you to step out for the next 2 months.
Alex.
Okay?
Alex.
And when you are fully recovered, they refuse taking you back. Don't bother, because I have a plan. I will establish a business for you. Yes.
Alex. Oh, come on. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Alex.
You're welcome.
Baby! Baby!
Yeah, what's this?
Come. God has done it. God has done it again. What will I do for Alex? What will I do for Alex?
What happened?
Oh my God! They got me. Sit down, let me just sit. Wait. Alex. I don't know. Alex is just gossip. The shop that I've been wanting to pay for, Alex has paid for that shop for me. Then sent me 5 million naira to start up a business of my own.
What?
Just like that.
Oh my God.
You can believe this.
Jesus,
Let me show you their last. Let me show you their last, babe. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Oh my God.
What I've been praying for. God has blessed me through my friend. You know, that guy is something else. That guy, I don't even know. Oh God. I just feel like crying. I don't know. You know, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my God. Babe.
What?
Give me something to eat. I'm hungry now.
What do I need to get for you?
Anything.
Your favorite.
Come on.
What's up? You ready?
The mirror, is it not here? I'm awful.
Okay, me, I'm still getting ready, Sha. I'll soon be leaving.
You are the madam of the office, so you can go whenever you like.
I beg you go, Apoko. If they find you, so they find you.
Bye!
Bye! Guess who's outside?
Who's outside?
Guess now.
My boss.
Ish, see this one.
Guess now. I cannot guess who is outside now, babe. No time, we're late for work.
Your Ghana man is outside.
What? Boy? Again? What's wrong? What kind of guy is this one now, eh? Ha! Oh. Alex, don't you dare walk out with me. You lie, you're not going anywhere. You are not leaving this house. You're not going anywhere. How dare you? You're not going.
Ella, I wanted to discuss this with you last night, but you don't want to hear. All you wanted was sex.
Yes, Alex. I didn't want to discuss anything because that is the most important thing. I mean, how can you just wake up one morning and say you're traveling on our ovulation week? Why? Why would you do that? This is the week we're meant to try again and again and you want to leave?
Ella, I have a meeting in Ghana.
Oh, I hear you.
You want me to become poor because I need a child? Ella!
Say whatever you like. You are not leaving.
Good morning, sir. Sis, what is it?
Ask I don't know what's up this.
Chilling. If you don't want me to give you a hot slap, please mind your business. Get out. I don't want to get mad at you. Just leave.
Listen, sis. If I don't tell you my mind, then I'm not your sister. You might be my elder sister, but I'm still an adult. Listen to me. Children doesn't come where there is no peace. And if you allow what people tell you outside to ruin your marriage, you will still be the same person to go to them and tell them what happened to your marriage. Have a good day.
You spoon wings. Gee, don't let me throw you out of my house.
Ella, she's right. You only can tell yourself the truth. Remember, this is not how we started. Can I go now?
You can go to the jungle for all I care, but you still need me here. You can go. I'll be right here waiting for you. You now see that the crazy one, right? Everyone is perfect.
Slow down, take it easy.
Get out of my house right now, else I'll have you locked up.
I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I know that you're not ending things like this. You know I care so much about you. I love you. Quit playing with me. Is it because I'm not a Nigerian?
Playing with you? Playing with you how? No, explain to me. What do you mean playing with you? I don't understand. It's not making any sense to me. You asked for a relationship. I said no. All the things you were doing for me, did I beg you for anyone? Did I cry to you for help?
You begged for them. Remember you begged me money for your mother's illness. Remember?
Babe, we have been here in your office, but you haven't said anywhere to me. What is it?
It's not like that.
Then it's like what? You know I love you. You know I care so much for you. I won't hesitate to do anything for you. Just say it. What is it?
You know we're not in a relationship yet, so I can't possibly tell you everything. But at this point, I am so desperate. I need help from anywhere and anyone.
Don't use this to avoid my question. Whether we're in a relationship or not, you know I love you. You know I care so much. I will do everything for you. What is it?
My mother is sick and dying.
What? Your mother is sick and dying? And you have been hiding this away from me. Why? Where is she?
She's in the village.
Let's go and visit her.
You mean right now?
Right now, let's go.
Okay, don't start the car. Let me go and take permission from my boss, then we can start going.
Babe, rush. Go.
Okay, thank you.
We have to leave before night falls, please.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Go.
We are here to take you to the hospital. For better treatment. My daughter.
You just what is not what
To the city. Who will take care of me when you go to work? And besides, how will you foot my hospital bills?
Oh, Mama, stop worrying about this now, eh? Let us take you to the city so we can treat you. That's my #1 priority, please.
Yes, Mama, we are here for you. Follow us to the city.
He's my friend. He's here to help us. Please help me. Please. Mama, take it easy, please. It's okay.
You'll be fine.
I thank God. Thank you, my son. You're welcome.
What is that supposed to mean? What do you mean, son-in-law? When did we get married? Eh? We are just friends, so please, we are just friends. Mama, it matters. It matters.
Thank you so much, Mama. That is why it is good to have an attachment.
Mama, please, let us not start what we cannot finish. Biko, please, I am begging you. Kofo, you know why I'm saying this. You know why. Stop acting like you do not.
It's okay. What matters is that you are happy because Mama is happy. That's all.
Oh, my son, I'm very happy. Thank you so much. God bless you. Oh, and you go and get my things from the car before you regret having.
I will not regret anything. Please, stop it. I don't like it.
Mama, that's how she is.
Thank you so much.
everything for selfish intent. Do you know it's plan? Do you know what you got to do? Everything for selfish.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I don't know how I'm going to pay you back, but I promise I will pay you back.
You don't have to pay me back. What matters is that I'm happy and you're happy. That's all.
No, don't worry. I'll pay you back. Eh? Just once I have the money, I'll give it to you. I don't want this to come, between us. Or maybe you start thinking that because you helped me and I owe you something in return. No, I'll pay you back.
Like I said, you don't have to pay me back. All I did it for love. Okay? It is now left for you to return the love in your own way.
My own way and your way will not be the same. I just want you to get that. Just know I'll pay you back your money. But all the same, I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. Let's see how it goes.
Thank you.
Let me watch you go inside.
Bye.
Have you remembered now?
And so what? And so what? Yes, I remember you helped me. But I told you I wanted to pay you back and you said no. Did you not say no, Kufo? Did you not?
I know that I have brought out the Nigerian mentality in me. I did all the things I did because the love I have for you, and I don't want them to be in vain.
So now you want me to pay you back? You mean you're shamelessly standing at the gate of my house asking me to pay you back the money you spent? Are you not mad? Eh? Please, respect yourself. Stop following me around. Stop harassing me. Stop it. I will have you arrested, oh. What rubbish is this?
Let's sit down and calculate them.
At my own time. You won't keep on listening and telling me nonsense. What rubbish? Please, excuse me.
No problem. But I'll show you that I will definitely come back for you, and I will tell you either my way or your way. I don't agree for anybody.
I don't care.
No problem. Shameless.
Slow down, take it easy. Cause nobody has it.
When are you coming to see my people?
What am I going to see you?
Yes.
Has he gotten to that?
Simon, when are you coming to see my people?
Oh, when am I going to see your people?
Yes.
Has he gotten to that?
Yes, I'm getting to that. Simon, I'm sick and tired of this relationship. How long? You have all it takes to come and marry me, for crying out loud. You have all it takes.
I have all it takes
Yes.
to marry you.
Yes.
Wow, you've changed.
You've changed as well.
You've changed. You know, if it were before, you wouldn't even bother me. You would just say one or two things, you calm down, you allow us to align together and talk over it. But these days, you shout, you nag, you will, what is wrong with Omakawan? It's Nilanya. Calm down now, what is your problem?
Did you just listen to yourself? Did you just listen to yourself, Bob?
Hey, it's what, man.
You came back home yesterday and I was trying to know what the problem is, and you've been moody all day. Like you didn't even see me. This was all like you. If it was before, you was don't know what the problem is. But now, nothing.
Yes, now if your husband comes back and turns moody, try to know what is wrong with your husband. Pet him. Honey, how you doing? What's wrong? Are you okay? Talk to me. Or you go and find a good food. If you know his favorite, you go and cook it. Not nagging. You don't know what that passed through out there. And you're nagging. Talking to me anyhow. Oh.
So this is all you have to say, right? This is all you have to say. There's no problem. You have made your choice. There is no problem, and I will leave it to your decision, okay? Anyways, when you're ready to go to work, just let me know so I can get you something to eat. Rubbish.
Voice over. Oh, I've not done this already. There have been issues. Go on.
I've not even married you already. And we're having issues. Just like that. Losing in 5 years. Ayabuma. Damn.
Yeah, very good.
Okay, listen. If I leave this marriage, you guys will pounce on me, and I don't want that. So I have to take everything by force. I'm not leaving. No. I must be pregnant, Mama. I will. Anyhow, I don't care. Oh, really? Wait. Chini called you? Okay, that's her business. She can call you for all I care. I don't... Mama, seriously. Yes. Mama, wait. Haven't I told you what my mother-in-law has been doing to you? Oh, Chini, she will tell you that too. She knows. Everyone knows. No. I will not, Mama. I can hear you. Mama, the fact is that you're not even understanding me. I'll call you back. I don't care about whatever they say. I must get pregnant. What's up now?
Why are you fighting with this Ellen?
Your mother. You can imagine Chidi calling her to tell her shit about me. Huh? Anyways, I think I've harbored this girl enough. She has to leave. Let her come back. Let her come back already.
This is seriously. Surely, babe, you don't have peace in your life. What's going on?
What do you mean by that? By the way, why are you here by this time? You're supposed to be at work. Hmm?
Take it easy. Please slow down. Take it easy. Cause nobody has it easy at all. Everybody.
I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
So I did not mean to come late. It was not my intention. Something happened, but I will handle it, sir.
What is it?
Sir, you don't need to worry yourself about it. It's not something I need to start discussing with you this morning.
I asked you, right? You always disturb me whenever I have my own personal problem. So I don't see anything wrong in asking my secretary because I want to show care.
I know it's not long, but I just feel like it's not important.
Oh, well, today we don't have a lot of work. So sit down, let's talk about it. Sit down.
Okay, sir.
So,
Honestly, you don't know how to talk.
Oh no, you should tell that to yourself. What do you mean by what you just said? That I never have peace in my life. Did you hear yourself?
Am I lying? You fight with everyone.
Oh wow. So I'm now fighting with everyone, right? Because I'm fighting for what I want. Huh? That means I'm now fighting with everyone. What you all used to mock me.
I never mocked you. You did. But I don't want to talk about that. Okay? You are my friend. All I want is for you to succeed. I don't know why you keep on attacking everyone that comes around you. All because you need a child.
Oh, that's how you want to see it now, right? Huh? What am I even saying? I said this earlier. Ruby, you don't know the taste of something until it happens to you. You don't have a serious relationship, not to talk of a husband. So you shouldn't be saying this with me. Have I ever fought you about having a child? So why would you be fighting me for wanting to have a child when I'm married? Please don't try this anymore. Listen, babe. Don't let me to suspect you. Don't let me suspect you. I'm serious.
Really? You suspect me? Well, it's all right. I'm off today from work, so I decided to come pay a housewife a visit just to keep you company and not to be insulted by you. But you know what? It's fine. I'll go out and look for my man so that I will not be insulted by you next time.
Oh, wow. So this is how you want to put it, right? You're turning everything...
Take care.
Wow.
Take care,
No problem.
Madam Child Seeker.
No problem. Look who is calling me. Really?
Get around.
well, is this still disturbing you?
Yes, he is. He's still disturbing me so much. So you will not understand, trust me. You won't. If I was a man now, that's listening to all these things, a part of my body would just be standing. But you will not understand me. As it is now, I just need a man, like I'm feeling somehow. Sir, please, I want to pee. Baby, I'm coming.
Take it easy. Please slow down. Take it easy. Cause nobody has it easy at all. Everybody has issues.
Me. Ella, you spoke to me in that tone.
Wow. Who do we have here? Hey, Madam Manga. I thought you were vexing for me. She's vexing for you. Did I say that I was vexing for you? Come on, you've been vexing, I know. Come on, you haven't called me for like 1 week. Yeah. Even our normal jogging, you no longer call me for that. I called you yesterday and you did not take your call. So what do you want me to say?
I'm sorry. Even the job itself, I don't even go.
Hi.
My dear, I've been too busy. I'll leave the house for work by 6:30. I'll come back by 10 p.m.
Why that bad?
No, easy.
Why? What's going on?
My boss. She's not in town. And you know, I'm the next in line.
But wait,
did they enjoy you?
My dear, what do you expect me to do now? Let me get you a second already.
Yeah, I better do. That's what you should do.
Woo! Pain.
Fine, woman.
Please stop. Let me just put you in this.
Okay.
Oh God. Are you okay?
Yeah. Stress.
So sorry. You should take it easy. Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How about your husband?
He went to work. Oh, okay. Honestly, baby, I am so glad you came. I've missed you.
Cheers.
Baby girl. Thank you for
This was
coming.
really nice. At least.
Do you want anything? I made this really nice sumptuous soup. Oh, your favorite. I'm coming. Get it, I'm interested.
Ella, by the time I am done dealing with you, I will make sure you will never hear a cry of a child. You mocked me directly. Let's see how it plays out.
I was trying to get you the correct one. Have it. Make sure it enters her food or drink.
Hope it won't kill her.
Oh, no, not at all. But she will remain barren. She will never conceive in her life again.
That's what I want. However it goes now, I'll let you know.
One more thing. Every month, you are going to kill a goat for it. If you fail in any month, she will be okay and take in.
let that happen. It can't be possible. Sir, this every month killing of goats, can I transfer the money for 1 full year for you? The only thing I will do is just to remind you every month to kill the goats.
I think that is better. Very much better.
I will transfer the money to you.
It's alright. Kambuturu Gaja.
Thank you.
This life is so lesson. No one is perfect. We are all in the class.
No, babe, I can't. I'm not fit. I'm tired.
Hey, you're tired. Ella, please stop. Stop what? You have not even gone half. Hey, this is what I do for months. Just don't come and make me lazy. Okay?
Lazy? Is that what you have to say? No, I cannot continue to jog. It's so stressful. Moreover, I have a lot to do. I have a lot of house chores. And you know that I don't have any help. My sister is also working. I don't want to overstress myself. Moreover, I'll be expecting my baby soon. So I want to keep my body soft.
Really?
Yeah, so... Really? Mm-hmm. Oh! Pardon me. I've forgotten you don't even have a boyfriend, not to talk of a husband. So, I get why you say really. You won't understand. You won't. God, I'm tired.
Ooh, Ella. What was that for?
What?
Because I told you shouldn't make me lazy. Is that why you're telling me how empty my life is? No. Is there something I need to know?
Babe, you're taking this far. Okay. Oh yeah, I am sorry. You two, they vex. Sorry if I said something out of place, but I didn't mean it like how you're putting it.
Vex. Let's jog.
Okay, fine. I'll jog. Let's go. Hey, madam, I don't want to dress for anything. I won't do it. Why are you now making me look like the bad one here? What did I do? What did I do that you haven't even done even worse to me? You've told me countless times really annoying things and I didn't even take it this far. So what's up now? I beg. I need to cook, okay? I'll talk to you later. Babe. Bye-bye. What rubbish. Making it look like that. Hey, come here. Come. How dare you? Huh? What did you do? If you ask me that question one more time, I'll hit you hard. How dare you? Intervening in my family affairs? Something concerning my husband and I. Why would you do that? Huh? Why? Oh, you're doing that all because I harbor you under my roof, right? Then you talk carelessly.
So because you harbor me under your roof, I don't have a mind of my own. I cannot speak to you again. You attack everybody just because you don't have a child. Are you the first person not to have a child? Are you? You are just my elder sister and not my mother. Even you talk to mother how you like. Don't dare. For the sake of your life, don't you ever try this again. You harbor me under your roof, right? It's fine. I will leave. Perfect! Leave right now. I need you to get out of my house. You think it's easy to get a roof over your head? Do it. Get out! I need you to leave this minute. Go! Get lost. Go to hell. Go to hell for all I care. Get out! It's okay. Leave this minute! Take your ass out of my house! What's going on? If you don't have understanding, don't you have eyes? Oh, please stop speaking like a silly person. Where are you going? What's all this? What's happening? I'm leaving your house. Do you now understand? You never cease to amaze me. So, wait.
Because of this little banter we had here, you're already leaving by this time? You said I should leave your house. Right? So let me go. Maybe I'm the reason you don't have a child. And at least you have enough space. Enough space to kill yourself for not getting pregnant. You are a fool, Chini. In fact, I think you're right. You should get out. But first, let me ask you, what do you know about marriage and children that you should speak to me about an issue that I feel? What do you know? Get out! Go! Get lost! And listen, I don't care where you go by this time, and I don't care what happens to you. After all, you're an adult. Your mates are already in their husband's house. So get out! Get lost! I'll leave. Good Lord. Oh, to hell with your silly wish. Imagine.
We don't know who to run to anymore. We don't know who to confide on. Oh, things they happen. This world is not what you think. Abialu to pursue, Abialu to overtake, Abialu to conquer. Everything for selfish interest. Do you know his plan? Do you know what she can do? Abialu to pursue, Abialu to overtake.
Tell me, because I remember you leaving the house very late for work, and now you're back very early as the MD of the office. Oh,
I don't understand.
mm-mm.
Hey, are you watching? Are you monitoring me now?
Shouldn't I?
Babe, it's not what really happened, Jerry. But all I'm gonna say is that this weekend is short for me. Nothing will stop it from coming to pass. Not after putting all those crazy thoughts in my boss's head.
Oh, are you serious?
Uh-huh. But it wasn't my fault I went late. It's that idiot. That fool. So when I got to office late, I used the opportunity to present the case to my boss. And he promised to help me get rid of him. So I'm not bothered anymore.
Get rid of him.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you want to get rid of him? I mean, is he not good enough? Why are you even involving your boss?
Good enough for what? God forbid. Let me ask you this, babe. In this generation, this 21st century, which correct guy, will give a babe money and want to collect it back? I mean, who does that? Who?
He did that.
Yes! He wants to collect the money back from me. Money he already gave to me. Like he wants me to give it to him. Why? Besides, you hear what Mama said in the village. So...
What? Onye Ghana? Mbakwa o. Mama. How do you mean? How do I mean? Wait, so that man that came here the last time is a Ghanaian and you didn't tell me?
Mama, how was I supposed to tell you? How was I supposed to? Mama, you were sick now. We were taken to the hospital. There was no time. I was warning that time. Stop all these names you were giving him. All this in-law. We didn't come for introduction, Mama. We came for something else. You were giving him names. See now.
But Mama, I don't think he's a bad person. Moreover, where he comes from doesn't really matter. Where he comes from matters. Where he from matters. Yes. One Ghana man dealt with me back then in Lagos. I will never forget that. Mbao, please, let's talk about something else. Just forget about this man.
Okay, Mama. Mama, it is finished. As you have said it will be like that. Besides, I never liked him. He has been the one following me around, bumper to bumper, harassing me everywhere, forcing himself on me. I don't like him, so I'm okay with your decision.
But he's not a bad person.
My mother has spoken. Please. What is it?
What is going to Ghana? Ghana.
So, babe, I would rather be with my married boss than that fool.
Okay, just that. I just don't like this whole idea of you being with a married man. And to even think that the person in question is your boss. I mean, I find it somehow, I don't know why.
Babe.
This whole thing might backfire or you end up losing your job.
Babe, calm down. Nothing like that. You're being too fast. I don't care. He should be married. It's his business. I love married men. I love him like that. He won't stress me. All these idiots, will he do that? Please, when I see married men, they turn me on. Once I see that ring, it makes me wet. So allow me and my boss to do our thing. Don't be bothered. I have everything under control. It's going smoothly.
You get strength. Seriously.
I get strength. I get the strength. I will do that. I will do
We don't know who to run to anymore. We don't know who to confide on. Oh, things they happen.
Okay, are you going to be here for one week? No, Simon. I'll travel after 1 week. You'll be here for 1 week. I mean, where to stay in a hotel? Listen, Simon. I've told you I don't want to be seen by anyone. No one knows I'm here, not even my secretary. Listen, Simon. If this one fails, we'll make another plan. But let's try. Okay, Alex, we're what's that party bar? So this is go and do it. Good. So then, just do a clean job. I trust you.
Take it easy. Please slow down. Take it easy.
You started. You have started, Abby. I see. I don't have respect that
What's that? What's that?
My boss. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir, you're still in the office. Sir, I handed the files over to you earlier today. They should be on your desk. Yes, sir. Sir, maybe it's on my desk. I'm not so sure. Or in my locker. Okay, sir. Let me call you back. Let me call you back, please.
I don't understand.
My boss needs me. I need to give him those files.
Then direct him to where you kept them. How can you go to the office by this time of the night? Or do you have another plan?
Babe, so what? Is it your business? I need to go and help my boss now. Huh?
Okay. This is almost your night wear. You were ready to go to bed like this. You can't go to your office like this.
And this season like this, you know what will happen? You don't have to favor me. Babe, come on. Wish me good luck. Let me call my car guy. So he can come and pick me up immediately. Hello? Oga driver, come now. Code red is an emergency. I am sorry, sir.
What is it? What are you doing here?
Sir, I remember that the files you are looking for, I left them on my desk. That's why I had to come.
You should have called me instead of taking such risk.
I'm so sorry. So let me quickly get the file for you. Come in.
Why is he always risking himself all the time?
Oh, just the moment, man.
Who is that?
Madam Nami, I want to give you key. Please let me call you back, man.
What key are you talking about?
The key gave me 2 years.
Why didn't you bring the so-called and what key?
Hey, come on.
Okay.
Don't make any noise.
Oh my God.
My dear,
Hold on.
come on,
I'm not making noise. Please. I beg you, sir. There's no money in this house and my husband is not around. Please.
There's no money in the house. My guy, take her inside. Make sure you search everywhere.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Raise down your head up high, then get on you. Just remain there.
Please. Please, no. I'm a married woman, please. I beg you, we can call my husband and we can keep any amount you want.
Yes.
Whatever you want.
Once you pass.
Whatever you want, please, just take it. Whatever you want, just take it. Please, no.
Wait.
No.
You wait.
Please, stop.
Look, you don't have to take such risks for me.
So this is not a problem at all. You're my boss. If I had the slightest clue you'd spend night in the office, I wouldn't have gone home. Or probably even come back and spend time with you here to keep you company.
You don't have to kill yourself for me.
So I'll do anything for you. When you called me, I was having my bath. I had to quickly rush out and dress up. If it was possible, I would have come in here with my towel around my body. I called my cab guy and he came ASAP.
It's okay. I really appreciate that effort.
Sorry.
What? Hello?
Two gunmen were here. Yes, babe. Yes, baby. I was raped.
What? How? Where? We will have to get one of the house. How come? Go bed.
Please, I need you, baby. You just need to come back now. Please, just come back. You can't. Okay, fine. Can you just leave a report that at the police station? Just call somebody, please. I need that. I need those people to come tonight. I don't know.
Oh God.
Okay. Alright. No. Wait, stop eating. Oh my God.
So what is it? Please talk to me.
Government attacked my house.
Oh my goodness! Jesus, this is bad. God, how? How?
Why is it that today that I'm not in the house, this happened? Government visited my house.
Sir, this is wrong. This is very, very bad. So you have to report this case and follow it up immediately. Those men must be caught and be dealt with. What? This is terrible.
Yeah. Those men are evil! Sir, don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. Huh? It's okay. I can understand. I'm sorry. Sir, I'm so sorry. This is terrible. Those people are wicked. They are evil. We will catch them. The police will deal with them. Sir, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's fine.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. I will make sure I get to the root of this nonsense.
Yes.
Okay, it's fine. You need to go home. Let me drop you.
Go home?
Yes.
Sir, I can't go home. If you take me home, I won't be able to sleep. Not with what has happened to you. So let me stay here and comfort you, make you feel better. We need to get to the bottom of this. We need to solve this crime. So I'm here. Just let me know anything you need to do. I'm here for you, sir. I'm so sorry.
Okay, it's fine. I need to make some calls now.
Okay.
You may go. I'll call you back.
Just make the calls.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you. I appreciate it a lot. You may go. Hello. Yeah, guy, what's up? I'm not happy. I'm not just happy. We're not going to make the case, okay? Yes, I'll be in the office in the morning. See. Thank you so much. That was a nice move. No suspicion. Meanwhile, our relations are strong. Yeah. Okay.
Slow down, take it easy. Please slow down, take it easy.
No, sorry. Sir, don't worry. I'll sleep here. I told you I didn't want to go home, and I meant it. I can sleep on the couch if you don't mind.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I don't know what I would have done without a secretary like you.
So you have been an amazing boss to me. You have been there for me at all times, so I have to reciprocate. It's the least I can do. So we have some drinks in the fridge, so if you don't mind, can I get you something to drink?
Okay, let's drink.
Alright, sir. Sir, I hope the way I'm dressed is not disturbing or provocative in any way.
Not at all. But just
Sir, if I put you in the room, I can bring you out. You're my boss. It's the least I can do. Let me get you something to drink.
You're not picking my calls. This girl is so desperate to have that man. I never seen this kind of person for my life before. I bet she should pick this call. If she's not coming back, she should let me know so I can just go to bed. But when I sleep now, someone will come and start knocking on the door. I've not seen this kind of desperation in my life before. How bad?
So this drink is entering my eyes. I don't think I can take any more.
You don't take alcohol?
No, sir, I don't drink. But this one is sweetening my body. It's just sweetening me all over. The last time I drank like this, the guy I was with, he almost had me. And that night I wasn't wearing pants.
Well, you want to go home or you want to sleep?
Go home to where? Sir, I'm fine with you. As long as I'm with you, I'm okay. It's just that once I drink like this, I'll start to desire rubbish. My body will just be sweeting me like this. I'll be thinking of nonsense, but you're my boss and I trust you, so cheers. Let's drink. Let's drink.
So what do we do now?
Do you want to go home?
Go home, sir. I don't need to go home. I can sleep anywhere. I can sleep on this couch. I can sleep on your arms. I can sleep on the floor. I can sleep here. Sir, I want to sleep here. I want to sleep here. Oh. Sir, this chair is so soft.
Listen, you can't sleep.
This place is so hard. This place is hard.
You can't sleep here.
Sir, I'm sleeping.
Let me help you.
You cannot help. Can you help? Can you?
Be careful.
Hello, please. I'm still in the office. I'm coming home now. I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm coming. I said I'm coming.
Oh, it's morning already.
Yes, it's morning.
Wow.
Good morning, sir.
No,
How are you?
I'm fine. What happened?
I think love happened. I hope you're not regretting anything.
Not at all. Just I don't know when it happened.
Sir, you know what they say. Nobody really knows when love happens. But sir, I must confess, you're a very, very, very good man. I enjoyed myself last night.
Same here. Okay, you have to run along now so that you prepare for work.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir?
Please, let what happened here be a secret between you and me. Like, a secret. I really enjoyed myself, and I will want to have more of it. But let it not come between our job.
Of course, sir. I won't let that happen.
Please.
There's more where you came from, so you can always have more. Okay, sir, let me get going. Would you want me to cook something for you for breakfast and bring to work?
Why not? But that would delay you. So why not buy from a nearby restaurant?
Okay, sir. I'll do just that.
Okay. Wash it up.
Why is this girl so desperate? I think she passed the night with her boss. Wait a minute. Did they do it in the office? Phew! God, that would be so abominable. But where did she go to with the night wear she left here with? Why is this girl so obsessed with her boss? What's she really up to? Whatever it is she's up to, I'll find out. Let me get ready for work.
We don't know who to run to anymore. We don't know who to confide on. Oh, things they happen This world is not what you think. Obialu to push you.
What happened?
Obialu to overtake you. Obialu to conquer. Everything for selfish interest. Do you know?
Hi. Who could have done this? Did they rob the house?
These people just came to rape me. He came to rape me. He didn't rob me. Hey, God. God, why
So
me?
they did this knowing that your husband is not around.
Yes.
Who must have targeted you?
Don't know. Ruby, I have nothing against anyone. I don't have issues with anyone. So why would someone want to do this to me? Why me? Why?
Have you told your husband?
I told him. He's on it. He wants to investigate it and he said he's going to be returning over the weekend.
Hope you're not hurt.
No. God.
Babe, see. You have to see the doctor, okay?
How?
You need some medication.
I feel so hot right
In
now.
fact, I came with some.
I don't want to do this to me. What did I ever do to anybody?
Take this. It will flush out the disease. Take it.
Baby, there's something I'm thinking about, but I don't know how to say it.
What is it?
You know, I am on my ovulation period, right? What if I conceive from this incident?
Spit out. Spit it out! Can you hear yourself speak? You want to take him for a rapist.
It's just, don't put it that way. I am desperate. I need a child. What if Alex is impotent, just like how I've been putting it? And maybe this rape is just as the way you put it. Is my only hope. He leads me to pregnancy. Babes, if that happens, I'm sorry, but I would have to keep it.
This is the craziest thing I've ever heard from you. Ella, what has come over you? You are in a haste to have a child. That makes you behave like a mad woman. Do you know the drama that comes with it? Or are you not feeling it?
I am. But there's something about that man. I would want to keep the child if I fall pregnant. I will. Fine, I can understand the trauma about this whole incident, but I'll have to keep the child.
My friend, take this thing. Take it and flush out everything that is not of God in your system. What is wrong with you?
Maybe I will take the drugs to only flush out whatever infection or diseases that might arise. But I won't take the drugs that would hinder me from falling pregnant. I won't. I'm serious, I can't. Why are you staring at me like a statue?
Nothing, just that. If anything comes up in the future, do not say I didn't want it. It's fine. You don't want to take it.
We don't know who to run to anymore. We don't know who to confide on. Oh, things they happen.
You did
This
what?
world is not what you think.
You know me very well. You know me too well. Whenever I want something, I don't stop until I get it.
Everything for selfish interest.
Now what for you? He's no longer your boss, he's now your lover, right?
Babe, point of correction. He's both my boss and my lover. How about now, babe? Keep up. You did doll me. Keep up. Babe, I want to have a child for this man. I won't born for her. What? Yes. You see, that guy is going through so much in his house because of their childlessness. I want to put him out of that misery. Let me give him a child.
Huh? You don't have sense at all. Yes, you don't have one single sense. This guy is married. Do you want to become a second wife?
And so what? Second wife and so what? Who first wife? Help! Babe, we are Nigerians, we are Africans. Polygamy is not a crime. If he wants to marry me as a second wife, and so what? Even if he doesn't want to marry me, I can still be his secret wife. Or baby mama. Anyone you want to call it, I don't care. How about now? Babe, that guy is everything to me. All I know is that if I have a child for him, I'll be his number one priority because his wife couldn't give him a child. He's going to give me a house, a car, possibly set up a business for me, and I'll be living life well. Babe, no dollar, no go fuck.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you. Let me hurry up
and go to my work. You can go late if you like. After all, you're now having an affair with your boss.
Babe, nothing sweets me past this thing. Like my body don't finally calm down. Abba, I can't wait to see. This life is all about going after what you want and not stopping until you get it. Determination. Your watch will be determination. Determination.
I'll see you later. That's if at all you come back home or even take my calls.
No vex. That time you were calling me, I was on top of something. I was on another level. That one, it passed cloud 9. I think it was... You're supposed to know me now. But I'll pick your call. That time I was doing something like I said. I don't know if we're still going to see. He might come around. We may go to a hotel for another round. And you know I'm ever ready. You trust me now. You know me now.
Your desperation passed my own. Seriously, like, I don't even know what to say to you at this point. We'll see you later.
You call it desperation? Like...
Everything for selfish interest.
See, babe, to tell you the truth, I'm tired of this work. What is it?
Yeah, I'm tired of the whole thing. In fact, I'm tired of everything. Why didn't the manager tell us that this will happen?
Maybe he's not aware. Like, you don't know how our boss behaves. Like, they do this a lot and it doesn't make sense at all. What is this thing they do here that you open a company and then you make everybody believe you're producing A, and at the end of the day, you're producing Z secretly? Doesn't make sense.
No, that one is his business. It's not my business at all. And since we're not working today, let me just go home and rest. At least I'll use the opportunity to visit my sister. She said robbers came to her house.
Robbers came to her house? Yeah. Hope she wasn't hot.
No.
Hey, it's a pity. But I thought you said you two are not in talking terms.
Yes, we are not. But my mother won't let me rest, so I just have to go and see her. And after all, she's still my sister. The only thing I know is that I will never live with her in the same house. You understand?
Talking about that, I wish it were possible so you just move in with me. I just pray and hope that what my friend is hoping for comes to pass. So when she moves out, you can just move in with me.
I pray it works so that I'll live with you.
Yeah.
I can stay with you at least. And are you coming with me?
Yeah, sure. I have to. Let's go.
Seriously, I believe it or not. Of course it will happen. I don't shoot and miss. Yeah. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
You did. You really did.
My wife called.
Okay?
No, I do have. My wife called.
Okay?
But I told her not to worry that I will pick up the case from here. Why? I thought you said I would be going there. No, thank you so much. Simon, we really did. She called. Okay? Yes, and I told her not to worry that I will pick up the case from there. And I'll handle the case. So by weekend, I'll be going back home. Why? I thought you said I was going to that. No, sorry. No. Listen, my wife is so suspicious. So, don't worry. Just let me handle it from here. Pardon me, my secretary is not around. Let me get to some drinks.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's just too early to start drinking. I have to run along now.
Okay.
Once again, say congratulations.
Thank you. I really appreciate this. Come on.
Have a nice place here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. But not for me anymore. Hold on.
Alright.
This is friend. This is my friend Jane.
Welcome.
You're welcome, Jane.
Thank you. Oh, sorry about the incident. She told me about the other case.
It's okay. Thank you. You should offer me something to drink, but I'll be inside. I need to get some rest. You're welcome.
Alright, thank you.
So, what do you want?
My dear, anything?
Not of
Anything, just give me something to drink.
my words.
Anything.
Alright, let me get something from the
Alright.
Wow. If I eventually get married and my husband has such a beautiful apartment, I'll be very happy. Well, definitely someday.
This is nice. Do you know I never knew you were this romantic.
And who would have thought we'll be having this romantic time in this office? Like, wow.
You know what? I didn't see it coming.
I saw it coming. I knew it was going to happen. I did not know how soon, but okay. I had hopes.
You're sweet. You're romantic. But I love you.
Oh, you can say it again. This weekend, I have something planned for us. Something very, very, very good.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm all yours. But for the fact that we're having an affair, you should not eat up your brain in the office.
I'm not like that, sir. Trust me.
Sure?
I'm not like that, sir. Sorry, I meant my love.
I love you.
Eat up, eat up, eat up. You haven't had anything yet.
But you know, eat it.
Okay.
Just eat.
Okay.
Let me watch you eat. Yes.
You don't want to feed me.
You want me to feed it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wow.
Sorry, I'm sorry. My bad.
Look, the last thing I would ever want to do is date a married man.
You never can say. You don't know where you'll find love.
Definitely not in the arms of a married man. Yes.
Yeah, I'm not saying no. Personally, what matters to me is happiness. As far as it makes me happy, I don't care.
But they are taken already.
And so? And so?
Wait. I know this man.
You know, that's my sister's husband. You know him from where? I hope say you never...
Hey! You know I don't do that. I just know I've seen this face somewhere before, but I just can't place it. Well, I have to be on my way now. When are you coming over?
Maybe by weekend. But don't worry, I'll let you know once I'm ready. You know I don't know your side, so you can direct me, so...
Okay, so once I get home and my friend comes back, I have to talk to her about it. We stay in a one-room and parlor apartment. I just pray my friend succeeds in her plans, just like I told you. Once her man is able to get her an apartment and she moves out, you have to move in with me.
No, I pray it happens. Because me, I can never live with my sister again. Let her face her husband. So I only stay here today and tomorrow because of the issues, you know. If not, I will never, ever come to this place.
So, see me off.
Alright, bye.
I spoke with the inspector already. We're on it. Listen, honey, I assure you those boys will be caught and killed immediately. Yes. Okay, don't worry, I'll send you the money right away, just right now. Honey, please let me attend to something in the office now. I'll get back to you. Yes, I'll call you back. Love you.
Babe, that I love you should be for me.
Well, you can still have yours. Come here.
So, where are you taking me to for dinner?
Well, I'm not ready to go out till I'm ready to go home.
I don't understand. Are you avoiding anybody? Wait, sorry to ask, what are you doing about the robbers that attacked your wife?
I'm on it. The police are on it. Okay? Don't worry. We will go out, then I'll drop you at home.
At home? Babe, you're confusing me. What do you mean drop me off? I'm supposed to spend the night with you. We're supposed to go to a hotel. We could go to my house. We can go anywhere.
I know. Let's make it weekend. Come on. Give me that beautiful smile. And that lovely kiss. Come on. Weekend. Across my heart.
Are you sure?
Yes. Weekend. For you. Come. You're happy now, right?
Yes.
Silly girl.
We don't know who to run to anymore. We don't know who
akụkọ tara bụla ekwere na anya n'elu njọ ya ma eje gbiri ya ogbe ka o buru na n'ekwere ka igbogiri na-akpọ ọmụ nkwụ onye mkpụmkpụ igbogiri si ya na o ji ahụkwana ihe nwoke hụrụ ọkwa nne onye ohi gbara onye ohi ibe ya tọọcha dakwana n'ihu ndị ohi. Hey! Mbụba.
sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm not fine.
Yeah, let me get your seat for you.
What she can do, Obiano to pursue, Obiano to overtake, Obiano to conquer, everything for selfish. Are you sure you know him very well? Are you sure, my Obiano to pursue, Obiano to overtake,
So, how did it go?
She did not take it.
Why? Anyway, since she refused to take it, you have to find a way to make her do that before she conceive from that rape.
Ha! No. Sir, please, you have to help me. She cannot conceive. I don't want her to have a child of her own. That lady that called herself my best friend, she has hurt me so much. She mocked me. She has insulted me. I don't want her to have a child of her own. In fact, there will be no peace in her home. Please, do something about it.
There's no problem. You don't have a problem at all. I will get something for you from a gala tomorrow. But I will be returning in 7 days' time.
7 days is too far now.
That will not be a problem. I will make sure it's what we want. But you have to find out what she loves to eat most that she can never say no to.
Shawarma.
Oh.
She loves shawarma a lot.
Very good. Once I return, I will let you know so that you go and buy it. And when I finish doing what I will do with that, once she takes it, even if she has conceived already from that rape, it is going to flush out everything.
So
that is not a problem.
I can't wait. I can't wait. Let me do the transfer at once. There is no time.
Very well, very well.
No time. That UBA.
UBA.
Yes, I have the message. The message you sent to me. I sent it to 50,000.
the one secret wife, lovey, oh. Secret wife, oh, secret wife, hey baby, love me in the dark, so it kiss me.
Was your friend gone?
Yeah. I will soon be leaving.
Leaving? Chilling. So because I shouted at you, you're still doing this?
Sis, it's not even about that. I just don't want to choke you and your husband in your marriage. It's not even right to stay here with you. And if I'm still angry with you, I won't be here.
Alright, if you say so, that's fine. There's something that bothers me. And my instinct never lies to me.
What is it?
I don't know, but something is just up. The man that raped me, he was kind and gentle with me. It was just as if he knows me or I know him. I don't know.
Is there any man you have issues with that would want to throw you to this place?
Issues? Do I even go out? Come on, I don't have any issues with any man. But I don't know, I can't wrap my head around it. His fragrance on his body, it smelled so familiar, like someone I've seen before.
That means the person knows you very well and knows that your husband won't be home.
Right? Mm-hmm. He must be right.
You need to tell your husband when he comes back. You just tell him about this.
I already called him over the phone and I told him I want to investigate it. So I'm just waiting for him to come back. Oh.
Sis, I'm sorry. I'm sorry with the way I spoke and treated you. I'm really sorry. Please don't go. Don't leave me here all alone. I'm sorry. Forgive me. It's fine. It's okay. But you see, it's not right to live here with you. It doesn't make any... If your husband brings his family to stay with you people, how would you feel? It doesn't make any sense. And again, I'm already making an arrangement to get a place, so... Okay? It's okay. I'll just see what I can do when he gets back, okay? Right. Thank you. It's fine. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Yeah, sure.
So you are welcome to my humble abode. Please sit. You're welcome.
It's a nice place.
Thank you.
In as much as I came to see it in the night.
Don't worry. We're going to be coming over in the daytime, okay?
Wow. You know what?
What?
I like it. I love it.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you for asking. Babe, you finally came back.
Yes, so I'm back. Babe, with my friend Jane. She stays with me here. Jane, meet my baby.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Babe.
Yeah?
I need to rush back now. Don't worry, I'll see you in the office tomorrow.
Okay. But promise me something. Yeah. When you get back, just sleep, rest. Don't go and start working too much. I know you very well.
I hope you just that.
Are you sure?
Okay, Jenny.
Yeah.
Good night.
Alright, good night.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah, sure. Alright.
Alright.
Good night, baby.
Alright.
Think of me.
That is your boss, right?
Yes, I thought I showed you his picture the other time.
No wonder. I said I'd seen this man somewhere before. Babe, you mean you two have started something already?
Started something, okay? Babe, we are flying. We have gone far. This guy is in love with me. He is obsessed with me, and with the way things are going, I'm going to be carrying his baby soon.
Hey, babe. You need to end whatever you're having with this man.
Why?
He's my friend's brother-in-law.
And so
Jenny's
what?
sister's husband.
And so what? What difference does it make? What?
Really?
What do you mean really? Hey, let me correct you there. That you're my family friend or living in my house does not give you the right to tell me what to do. Do you understand that? Let it be the first and last time. Don't you ever stand in my way again. I will crush you. Are you mad? Who you be? You give me advice from my house why I bring you come. Mind yourself. What rubbish. Nonsense.
My period is out. Ah, God, what is all this? It's out again.
That's okay.
Oh, Lord. I'm just tired. I don't know what to do again. God, why me? Not again. I'm tired. I don't know. I'm just tired. Just tired. Why me? I don't... God, please. God, please, I beg you. I'm praying to you. Why do I keep facing this trauma, this sorrow?
Come. It's okay. Don't worry, we'll come about it, okay?
I don't know why I keep facing all this. God, not again.
It's okay.
Please, God, I beg you. I know how much I begged. God, please, I beg you, please.
It's fine.
Just...
Oh my baby, Babe,
what is it? Why are you dancing?
No time for long talk. I'm pregnant. Care.
Wait. For your boss?
Who else? Babe, no, who else? They follow different men. Babe, I don't hammer. My life don't set. My life don't package. I don't rebrand. As you're looking at me now, this is the new queen of Amagonze Kingdom. The one, the only, the one that can bear the child for the king. Babe, you need to address me well. Care.
Okay.
Oh my God.
This is not right. This is not right at all. You mean after all I told you, you still went ahead?
After all you told me as who? No, answer me. After all you told me as who? As what? Need I remind you, you have no right whatsoever over my life. Do you understand that? You cannot dictate to me what I should do or what I will do. So retrace your steps before I strike you. You dey mad? You dey crazy? In my house? I beg, don't bring your negative energy. What kind of vibe killer is this one? Beg, let me call my king and tell him that he's expecting a baby. Care. It's right there. Hello, my love.
What's going on? Simon, what are you doing here? I thought we agreed you're never going to come to my house again. My wife is suspecting you. What is it?
Man, today is Sunday. I've been calling your line, you're not picking. What's your problem? Come on.
Listen, we're having issues right now. What we planned did not work. My wife is seeing her period.
What didn't work? Man, don't say that. I'm a sharpshooter. I shoot once and it goes.
This time you missed it. I am not happy. You have to leave my house now. Leave.
Are
Simon.
you asking me out of your house?
Simon, just leave. Leave now. Leave.
Hey. Wow.
Mr. Simon, you're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow. Good.
Thank you so much. What's going on? Hey, I heard you telling him to leave. What's the problem?
Oh, no. I can ask my guy to leave. I'm just out of him, that's all. Yeah.
Oh. Anyway, guys, do I offer you anything?
No. I'm actually rushing out to somewhere. Yes.
Is it because he asked you to leave?
No, this is my house as well. So even if he asked me to leave, I won't even do that.
Honey, I really cannot ask him to leave my house. He has to rush up to meet me, so.
Yeah.
Oh, you would have had Sunday, right? But it's fine, okay?
It's okay. It's okay.
Dave, please, I would like to see you inside when you get home.
Okay.
Okay.
So, we need to see and we plan on how to hit this, okay? We're not planning anything again. Not after everything I go through. Listen, leave now. I will see you in my office tomorrow morning. Please.
It's okay. It's okay.
Leave. Bye.
baby, I'm pregnant for you. I know, you're going to be a father now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? I am coming right away. Just give me a few minutes.
Oh, okay. I'll be expecting you. I love you. Mwah.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Are you really happy about this?
I don't understand. Like, I don't get your question. Why wouldn't I be happy with getting what I've been looking for? Does it make any sense? Does it? Yes, please come in.
Hey, it's me. Welcome.
Thank you. Okay.
Welcome.
Please sit. How are you?
What was that?
Oh, please don't mind her. You know this life, eh? You can be with someone all your life, thinking you know the person, but they won't show you their true colors until they are up to something. Seriously.
Really?
Yeah.
Is she doing like that because I plan to come and stay here? I beg you, if that's the case, tell her not to worry.
Why?
Because my sister wants to get a house for me.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy for you! Just me.
You're not listening to me. Just try and listen.
Honey, I've told you that we'll discuss this when I get back. How on earth will you ever think my friend raped you? How?
This is just what I'm thinking, and I just want you to see reasons with me. His presence today almost made it true. I could perceive his scent.
Stop. Don't ever think this again. Don't even say it to where people hear this. Don't.
But what about his
I am
scent?
coming. I need to sort some things.
What's up?
Please leave my house.
What is?
Why?
Are you deaf? What is hard for you to understand? Leave my house. Leave my house now.
Wait. See, okay, don't even insult me. Is it because I plan to come to stay here in this house? Don't worry yourself. I didn't come because of that, okay? Because I'm actually here to tell you not to bother.
Okay. Congratulations. Now you're done yapping your mouth. Carry yourself and leave my house.
Okay, what is this? What has come over you?
What is your problem?
Don't you have shame? What's this?
Are you mad? Are you stupid? I am asking her to leave my house and you're talking. Look at this squatting idiot. Yeah, go inside, pick your rags and take them out with her. So of you, carry your wahala and leave my house. Please! What is all this? Can't a house owner enjoy her house? Go!
Did you just slap me?
And so what?
You just slapped me.
And so what? Who is it, please? My love.
But Alex.
What are you doing?
No! What is going on here? What is this? Can someone make me understand? What is going on? What? Okay.
Babe, are you serious? Honestly, right now I don't even know what to tell him for him to believe me. I don't think so. Babe, Simon cannot do a thing like that. I mean, your husband has been good to him now. Okay, he can't do it. I don't know. I don't know, really. At this point, I'm confused. I don't know what to think. Okay, what about his scent? Babe, forget that one. This man has nothing to do with this now. People, they buy perfume. It's not meant for one person. It's for everybody. So I'll not use that one, Georgia. I beg. Eh? Man, this one, yeah? I'm tired, pal.
I think you're right.
Babe, I'm thirsty. I don't need this. I need water.
Okay, I'll just get it now, okay?
Thank you. You have to cheer.
I'm just so confused.
I forgot to ask if you want cold or...
Baby? What are you doing?
No, wait.
What are you putting in my drink?
Huh? No, nothing.
No, what do you have in your hands?
Mm-hmm.
The other one. Oh my God. Jesus. Listen, what do you have in your hand? Ruby, I need you to start talking or I will involve the police.
I'm sorry.
What are you? Sorry for what? Let me see. What is this?
Powder.
Listen, you have nothing to worry, okay? Listen, you have made me know that I am not a problem in my marriage all these years. Yes, you don't know how I feel right now.
You know, I really wanted to do this for you. It's been my major problem because I've been seeing that you were down and sad and angry over this child problem. So I'm happy to have this baby for you. It's here now. Your baby.
Listen, I am going to take care of you and my unborn baby. Okay? As for Chini, I don't care. If she likes, let her go and tell her sister. I don't bloody care. I am with you now.
Okay, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
I am leaving your house, but just know that someday you'll regret your actions. And for you, Oga Boss, I just hope you know what you're doing.
My friend, get out!
Silly girl.
Let them go. Like I said, I am with you now. Okay? So, we'll live happily. I love you.
I love you too.
You know my greatest happiness?
What?
I am going to be a father.
Yes!
Come.
How you feeling?
Yeah, okay, let me listen. Oh. Strolling around.
A baby girl.
Baby boy.
You want a boy?
Yes. I want someone who is going to take over my empire.
I'm so happy.
I need you to start talking because I'm already recording everything. If you do not talk, I'll stab you to death. Start talking! I'm already recording. Do not waste my time with me.
I said I'm sorry.
I said speak!
Please don't record.
You don't want to talk. Speak now, Ruby.
You caused it all! It's all your fault! You always hurt me with your words! Either you tell me that I'm not married, or there is no man in my life! How could you? I'm your best friend for crying out loud! Ella, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to be harsh. I met this man that gave me something to put in your drink so that you won't be able to conceive. I'm sorry. Oh my God. Please, Ruby. It's been you. It's been you all this time. No. Not just me. See, your husband is not important. It's all my making. I have been doing this for months. I'm sorry. God. God, I'm finished. I'm finished. You give this to me, sister. Ruby. Hey, come on here, Ojini. You know that she's been the one. She's been the one doing all this to me. Ha! Sister, you need to know what's going on right now. No. Oh my God. So what are you talking about? Who's been the one? What she has been... What is it? It's fine, she can run. I already have a recording. Oh my God, just tell me I'm dreaming. Ah, Ruby, you've killed me. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's...
To me. So you have realized that it's so hard to get a place to lay your head. Eh? I'm sorry, please. Why won't you be sorry? Who can be as nice as I am? Eh? Keeping you in my house. Harboring you. What's the meaning of this? What is going on here? What is this? Did you come to fight me?
I have not come to fight you. I'm here to give you something that is more than a fight.
Because I cannot watch you give birth to that bastard.
It's not possible.
Something must be wrong with you. Are you on drugs? Did you smoke? Did she give them the drink? Hey! My sister, go and call that your stupid sister to come back here and thank me. She should be begging me on my feet, telling me thank you, my queen, for finally wiping the shame off my face.
Now that you know the truth, that your wife is not at fault, what do we do?
Oh, I don't know. I remember how many times we fought because of that lady. And I told her to stay away from that lady, that she is jealous. Mama, she did not listen. Right now, a girl is pregnant for me, and there's nothing I can do.
What I'm saying is this. We'll keep the child and then give your wife 1 month to see what happens anyway.
Alex, if you do what you have in mind, you must suffer. Be rest assured about it, because I have suffered myself. All this while I've been fighting. It is just because I wanted to see if you can impregnate me. But not even for one day did I go out to cheat on you, but you did. And that's okay, that's fine. But just be rest assured that if you go to her, you and Ogi must suffer. And I don't care what happens.
Hello? What? I'm coming.
What is
Mama, I'm coming! I'm coming!
Ella, calm down, okay? Since we now know the truth, that you are not at fault, there will be no more fights, okay? It's okay. Let's take it. Amen.
Good morning, sir.
How did it go? What's the result?
She will be okay, sir. Just that she lost the baby in her womb.
What? She lost the baby. Not again. Why? Huh? Where's the doctor?
He's in the ward. He'll be here soon.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay.
Honey? Honey?
Where am I?
You are in the hospital. Relax. Take it easy. Honey, you are in the hospital. But I'm here with you, okay? You'll be fine.
Let me get her emergency injections. I'll be right back.
Honey, you'll be fine. Listen, I am the happiest man in the world. Like you've proven the word wrong and proven me right. Okay? As for Chini, she will hear from me. She'll be fine. I'm here. Okay?
My sister, you did so well by beating that fool up. Sister, trust me. We beat her blue black. Good. We hurt her so badly. You know, if I don't do this for you, you will lose your marriage. I mean, I don't want that. So relax. As far as she's still alive, nothing they shed. She's alive, right? She's alive now. That's good. Next time, she will not try that useless act again. But please, I will need you to just leave, alright? No will get you back because my husband will soon be back and he will be so furious with you, okay? Is my son not back yet? No, Mama. Mama, he's back. Go to your room.
Chidi! Where is she?
Go.
Where is Chidi? Where's your sister?
Run down. Wait.
Chidi!
Hey! What is it? Alex!
Can you imagine? Can you imagine this idiot just flew on her friend? Where to pick up okay?
Hey! Alex!
Listen, you are close. They beat her up and she lost the baby in her room. Can you imagine? Can you imagine how stupid your sister could be?
Why do you want to kill my sister for me? How did you do that?
I'm sorry. It's anger.
Anger. The anger kill you and your generation. Yes. Listen. Oh God. You are happy that your sister and I have been without a child all these years, isn't it? For this nonsense you've done. See, Mama, let her go inside. Pack everything!
Just left.
Everything in this house! Let her pack it and leave this house this minute!
Calm down.
Okay, listen. If this is your plan with your sister, I am going to give you from now till next month end. If you don't take in, let me believe the story you told me about your friend is truth. Till your next period, you watch me marry another wife.
It's okay, we heard you. Calm down. You'll be okay. You'll be fine. Okay? Sit down. It's okay. You'll be fine. I'm a mother. I know how it feels. For the pregnancy not to make it means it's not for him. I am happy my son has been proven right. But all the same, try your possible best. To take him before the end of the month, so that we all believe that what the girl did was the cause of your childlessness. Okay? It's okay.
Slow down, take it easy. Please slow down, take it easy.
Have you called my husband? Yes, madam. Oh, you better hurry up now. Why didn't you just... Can you try calling him again? He said he's on his way. Let me call him again. Oh, wait. Take off your hand from this, please. What's he saying? What is he saying? Please hurry up. Hurry up.
What is it? What is it?
Take it easy. Wait!
So open the door!
Oh my god, I can't. I'm sorry. Wait.
Stop fighting yourself.
No, wait.
Everybody is fighting their own.
Open the gate!
God is never different. Break Almighty. Don't be a sadist. God will see you through. Stop being upset. You're not taking out of charge at all. When the time comes, God will give you one. You only have don't do anything stupid. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. One day you take time.